If you're looking for the guy raising Alaska king crabs in his bathtub, keep scrolling. If you want to know some suggestions on teaching someone brand new to hunting what you should and shouldn't do, this may be of interest to you. What we have done is we watch the most popular YouTube videos. We then will take all of the information from the videos and condense it into topics and brief descriptions.
What we're going to talk about are where to hunt, essential gear, safety, hunting styles, caliber selection, shot placement, post-shot procedures. If you want to know more, just send us a message and we're going to help you. We will send you the link of the video transcription, timestamp, and the main and sub points. What are you waiting for? Message us now.